Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you a couple of keyboard shortcuts to shut down and restart Windows laptop. It's pretty simple. Let's get started. The first way is to press Windows key and X key. After that we have a pop-up menu. Use up arrow key to select shutdown or sign out. Then use the right key and here you can choose shutdown or start what you want, and after you select this option, press enter. And the next way is to use Alt key and F4 key. After you press this shortcut, you will see the pop-up window where you can select what you want by arrows. Use up and down arrows to select your option, for example, shutdown, and after that, press enter to close all apps and turn off the PC. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching, like, subscribe. Have a nice day, good luck. See you next time.